Hey guys, here is today's companion lesson to the assignment I gave you on the Google Classrooms. And it is actually Save the Snakes, Answers Revealed. I'm going to go ahead and read it with you quickly, and then we will talk about maybe what your answers should be, what I thought they were, if you got that, if not, maybe why. So I'm going to begin by reading it. And let's see if we can clearly identify what the author wants us to believe. What are they trying to convince us of? What is the main point? And if we figure that point out, did they do a good job of convincing us to think about what they want us to do? Let's find out. Save the snakes. Many people are fearful of snakes. They are sneaky and slithery, and they look malicious. The fact of the matter is that snakes have just as much of a right to be here as humans. As we encroach on their habitats, encounters with snakes are bound to happen. If you come across one of these slithery reptiles, leave the snake alone. Humans should not kill snakes. Snakes are a large part of our ecosystem, and their survival affects many other living things. They help reduce the rodent and insect population, which helps make sure that our crops and homes are safe from pests. Snakes regularly shed their skins. Their skins are high in nutrients, so when the skins decompose, nutrients are returned to the soil. Humans use snake venom in medicines and vaccines. A toxin from the saw-scaled viper's venom helped scientists develop the drug Tirofiban, which prevents blood from clotting. Snake venom is also necessary for the creation of antivenoms to treat people who are bitten by poisonous snakes. Snakes are important to the advancement of science and medicine, so killing snakes out of fear is unnecessary. If you try to kill a snake, you could be in danger of being bitten. When snakes feel as though they are in danger, they will often attack. Snake bites are not only painful, but bites from a poisonous snake can be extremely harmful and cost you a hospital visit. If you come across a snake, it is best to leave it alone. Snakes were here first. If you see a snake, don't kill or hurt it. Leave it alone. Killing it can cause environmental problems or an injury, and population decreases can minimize scientific developments. So, the question we ask ourselves before we dive into the questions are, first of all, what point is the author trying to make? If you said that they're trying to tell you that humans should not kill snakes, they are convincing you that humans should not kill snakes, you are absolutely correct. The author clearly states that in the first paragraph, right here. Humans should not kill snakes. Now, did they give a valid reason? Well, I see 3 valid reasons. Reason number 1, snakes are a large part of our ecosystem, and their survival affects many other living things. Okay, now if that's a valid reason, did they give evidence or the facts to back? Well, they help reduce the rodent and insect population. Okay, make sure that our crops and homes are safe from pests. Fact number 1. Snakes regularly shed their skins, and their skins are high in nutrients. So when they decompose, they return to the soil. So reason number 1, they're a big part of the ecosystem. And a fact to back that is, well, they reduce rodents and insect populations, and their skins help the soil. Look at there. Reason number 2, humans use snake venom in medicines and vaccines. There's the reason, okay? Facts to back. They're going to give me some examples that there's a toxin from this viper's venom that helps a drug called Tirofiban, I guess. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. And it stops the blood from clotting. So look, they can help humans. And then it says they're important for the creation of antivenom to treat people bitten by poisonous snakes. So the big umbrella of reasoning is that humans use the venom, and it talks about how they develop one drug and antivenom. So reasons, facts to back. Third, if you try to kill a snake, you could be in danger of being bitten. Now, what facts do they have to back that? Well, the fact is, when snakes feel like they're in danger, so when snakes feel as though they're in danger, they will often attack, okay? Snake bites hurt and they're harmful, so just leave it alone. Did the author summarize their main points? Let's find out. If you see a snake, don't kill it or hurt it. Main point. Reason number, well, just leave it alone. Reason number 1, it can cause environmental problems. Number 2, an injury. Number 3, it takes away from scientific developments. So there's my take on the article and what you needed to pull from it. Now let's check our questions, okay? The first one said, which sentence expresses the main point? Well, we already determined that, and that is A, humans should not kill snakes. Number 2, what piece of evidence best supports the claim that snakes are important for the ecosystem? Choose all that apply. That's one of those danger, Will Robinson, you better figure out that there's more than one good answer. And according to this answer key, you should have picked options C and D. Their skins are high in nutrients, so when they decompose, nutrients are returned to the soil, and they help reduce the rodent and insect population, which helps make sure our crops and homes are safe from pests. Number 3, a toxin from the saw-scaled viper's venom helps scientists develop the drug tirafaban, which prevents blood from clotting. The author uses this sentence as evidence to support which of the following points? Well, that was evidence to support that D, snake venom is important to scientific advancements. What is another piece of evidence that the author uses to support the claim above? Well, again, if the reason is that snake venom is important to scientific advancements, a second piece of evidence is that snake venom is also necessary for the creation of antivenoms to treat people who are bitten by poisonous snakes. If you look at the next table over here, the claim is that killing snakes can put you in danger. Well, what evidence is there? The claim is the reason. Well, what evidence is there? If you look at these 4 choices, the very best choice is B. When snakes feel as though they're in danger, they'll often attack. So this right here would go in this box right here. Okay? Final question, wrapping up this answer key. The author claims that snakes are important. Write a paragraph explaining the reasons and evidence the author uses to support his or her claim. Now, does your paragraph have to look exactly like this one? No. But do you need to kind of have the components in your own words? That would be very nice. This is an example. Basically, you're trying to prove that, why the author thinks that snakes are important. So this paragraph says snakes are a large part of our ecosystem and their survival affects many other living things. They help reduce the rodent and insect population, which helps make sure that our crops and homes are safe from pests. Snakes regularly shed their skins. Their skins are high in nutrients, so when skins decompose, nutrients are returned to the soil. Humans use snake venom in medicines and vaccines. Snakes are important to the advancement of science and medicines, so killing snakes out of fear is unnecessary. So guys, basically, they just want you to take what's in the article and kind of who, what, where, when, why, summarize that into a small little paragraph. Hopefully you'll either take a picture of your summary and send it to me, or have mom or dad email, or you'll submit it on the Google Classrooms. I want to see what you do, because you guys are really good writers, and I think you're going to be great at this. I hope this helps accompany this lesson, and until next time, stay learning, my friends.